Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to explain about how to write the information into the text file. How to write text into the text file in Java. See, we have already discussed in the last session how to read the information from the text file. Of course, I'll explain right by coding also. First, let me explain theoretically. If you want to read the information from the file, there is a method called read method in which class? File reader class. Method return type is integer. In the same way, now if you want to write the information into the file writer class, write method is there. It is not taking any, it is not returning anything, but it is taking what you want to write. Okay, read means from the text file, it will read character by character. On success, if the character is there, it will return the ASCII value we already discussed. That's why return type is integer. If it is a write, what you want to write, that ASCII value you need to specify. Then automatically the character will be written into the text file. And one important thing is what? Whenever you are creating object of file writer class, file writer, if you specify a path, for example, D drive, output.txt file, if you specify, imagine if file is not present in the specified location for writing the data, it will not give you any error message. It will create the file. Automatically, the file will be created with the specified name in the specified location. This is how to open the file in write mode. Sir, if already file is there, suppose output.txt file is there, then what will happen? It will remove the contents which are present in the text file. Okay, let me write the code and show you the output. Same coding now. All the classes we are belongs to java.io.star, and the two variables now we are defining. One is fr and next one is a file writer is fw equals to null. First I'm writing the skeleton part. I don't want to handle any exception, but I want to close. We know all these things. Just throws exception, all exceptions. In finally block we are checking. If it is not equals to null, then only we are closing. Even the messages also I'm not writing. fw not equals to null, we are just closing fw dot close. In the try block, first we are doing how to open. So file reader. I just want to read the data from the text file which is present in my D drive. Let me show you. In the D drive, input.txt file is there. Input.txt file. In this, some information is present. Information. Okay. This information I just want to write into another file. First, we are storing into fr. And next fw, new file writer into the D drive only, output.txt file I am creating. Let me show you in the D drive, output.txt file is not there. Only one text file is there. Only one text file. Now here, how to read the data we know already. Character by character we are reading by using the while loop. Each character we are reading from the file fr.read that we are collecting into ch. We know on failure it will return -1. So until it is not equals to -1, we are repeating the loop. Simply fw.write what you are reading instead of printing. We are just writing into fw. fr is representing input.txt file. fw is representing output.txt file. See, once the contents has been copied, just giving the message contents copied, go and check in file location, because where we have given that location, we need to go there and check that. When you are compiling this code and executing this code, contents copied, go and check in the file location. Now in a D drive, if you go there, output.txt file created. Output.txt file created. When you open that, the same content has been copied into output.txt file. Hope you understood. This is the simple way of coding to copy the information from one file to another file, one text file to another text file in Java. Please subscribe to the channel.